Take a look at the top of your screens, guys. S&P 500 just shot up. The Dow 30 did the same. Nasdaq and the Russell 2000 is still trending downwards. Crude oil has dropped by quite a bit, and right now crude oil is at $115, down 3.04%. But check this out. Look at the S&P 500. It is up 2.34%, and it just shot up like a rocket going to the moon in the past few minutes. The same for the Dow and a little bit for the Nasdaq. I wonder if there's some good news that just came out. Well, Exela Technologies today is down is up 0.43%, trading at 13 cents. But the bad news today is just that we hit another 52-week low. We hit 13 cents even, and that's a 52-week low for Exela Technologies. However, the volume is still quite heavy at 25 million compared to an average volume of 37 million. We have about an hour and 15 minutes to the close of market as I am doing this recording. And Exela Technologies, well, it actually went even further down today, and now it's trying to recover, and it has done quite a very slight recovery. How long will this slide down continue is difficult to tell, but you can see here how the stock struggled throughout the course of today. And as we are pulling towards the golden hour, you see the stock rebound, same as the markets above, which you can actually see on the graph right here. The S&P 500, the Dow 30, and the Nasdaq. So the only news we have for Exela Technologies came in yesterday, where they appointed a new head of bills and payments. And I don't know when he's actually starting, but so that's some new blood that's coming into the company, fresh perspective, and we are anxiously waiting to see how he performs. It's a very tough economy right now, so we don't expect a miracle, but it's just good to see that management of Exela Technologies is actually doing something to keep the company moving. Stock market has been really hard on many portfolios, and Exela Technologies is no exception to that. If you look at the monthly graph, it's just been a slow, steady slide downward. And right now at 13 cents a share, the market capitalization of the company sits at $60 million. This is very hard to believe for a big company with about, I think, 16,000 to 17,000 employees and a global footprint. Anyways, we will see what happens. The economy, again, like I said, is quite fluid. President Joe Biden is heading out to Saudi Arabia, probably to arrange some fresh oil deals. US producers can't produce fast enough as of right now, and they, of course, they are afraid also, if you put in all this money, ramp up production, and then suddenly, the demand for oil drops, or the Russian situation gets taken care of, and sanctions get lifted. Now you just invested all this capital to pump oil, and that nobody wants to buy from you. So it's a chicken and egg kind of situation. However, as long as the situation continues, it's the regular consumer, the guy on the street, who bears the brunt. It's you and I, whoever goes to buy groceries, whoever goes to buy gas, that feels the brunt. Back to Exela Technologies, you guys must be aware this is a business processes company. So as more and more businesses come back online from the 2-year shutdown for the global pandemic, as summer gets closer and people head out to vacation, you'll see that the demands for Exela Technologies and its services will, I think, should theoretically increase. So the company is in a good position. It's just that it's not getting the love that we expected from investors and Wall Street. So we will see how things play out in the next couple of days. But even though the stock might be trending downwards, if you look out over a couple of days, like 5 days, I think things might be leveling out, and I don't have a sorcerer's ball, but that's the feeling I get, that things are leveling out slowly. It's dropping, but not as fast as before. So we will see what happens. Thank you for joining me today. I will catch you guys on the next video. And for those who haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. That way we can keep the subscriber count going up. As of this recording, I think we have 504 subscribers to the channel, and we have a target to hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm in November. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.